Strawberry makeup is a huge trend now. When I think strawberry makeup, I think red lips, freckles, and kind of like that sun.
So today I'm going to show you how to do strawberry makeup for women over 40 years old. So I'm, as usual, if you guys know me, I'm using my glass skin makeup whereby I mix the primer, honey glow and my liquid foundation together, and then I put my loose powder. This loose powder is special, it helps to blur the pores. And then I put my contour stick. If you're interested to get a contour stick, as usual, you can get it from my TikTok shop where I pointed. I'm using cappuccino. Yeah. Okay, cool. So this one helps to contour your cheeks bone, and then you can also put it on your chin area so that you have that sharp features, sharper face, okay? Especially for us, we have white face, so our face look wider. So having a bit of shadow on the edge of the chin area and the cheekbone area will give you that sharper feature. Next, I'm putting on the eye primer for stubborn, oily eyelids. It's very good to prime your eye makeup, make it long lasting. And you also bring out the eye color. So I'm going to put pinkish eyeshadow. Actually, I haven't put pink eyeshadow for a very long time. So I use a very subtle one, so it's suitable for our eye area, because especially if you have a lot of wrinkles on the eye area, no point putting too much shimmery eye products, okay? Next, I'm going to put my blusher. So this time around, the strawberry makeup, right, the blusher is really like over the top. So I'm trying to be used to it. Okay, next I'm putting on the cherry red lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope that you love this look and follow me for more. See you soon. Bye.